This video, I will show you guys step by step how we make $15,251 in commission with Fiverr affiliates using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you guys my profitable services that I'm promoting using free traffic. I will show you step by step how we can find people who will be interested to buy those services from you and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. This is my affiliate marketing dashboard account, you guys can see here, and I already received this payment in my PayPal account. It's paid. This is my invoice. I made this commission in the last month, in the month of September, from the first day of September until the day 30. As you can see, this is my commission, my clicks, my CTR, and so on. So for people who want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate marketing as beginners with free traffic, step number one, go to Google and search for, let me show you, go to Google, search for Fiverr, search for this website, click on the first link. All you have to do, you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying some good commissions. It's up to $150 for one commissions for some pro services. Okay, anyway, you guys can check this website. You can get more ideas, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. So just click here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can choose no and choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, and so on. What you will do next, you need to choose good services that you should start promoting using YouTube. So we will use YouTube to promote our services because YouTube has billions of people every single month are using YouTube, billions of monthly visitors. Okay, so you need to focus on YouTube as a beginner. So what you will do next, you just need to go to your YouTube homepage. So we will open our YouTube homepage and let me show you. You guys can see here that YouTube has 28 billion monthly visitors, which is a really big number. Okay, and guess what, YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two. You guys need to take YouTube seriously. What you will do next, to choose good services that people will be interested to buy from you on YouTube, click on the YouTube search here and ask question. For example, I will ask how to, let's say how to run ads for, and here you go. You guys can see, you just need to ask a question and YouTube will give you report search prediction. YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for right now on YouTube, which is really good. So people are searching for how to run ads for Shopify store, how to run ads for clothing brand, how to run ads for dropshipping, how to run ads for businesses. Those people who are searching for this topic, they have money, of course they have money, and they don't know exactly how to run ads for example for Shopify. Okay, so if you want to run ads for your Shopify store, you need to invest money on Facebook ads or Google ads or TikTok ads and so on. So what I will do, I will go to Fiverr and I will search for some services that can help those people to run ads for drop shipping or for Shopify. Okay, so I will search for, let's say, ads, drop shipping ads. I will take this topic and I will search for this keyword for this service, drop shipping ads. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Scroll down. You should find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Fiverr. So what you will do next, you need to choose good sellers. Choose always good sellers, like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, because people will check those sellers, will check the profile of those sellers. So if those sellers are good sellers, people will buy this service from you and you will earn commission, if that makes sense. So I will choose, for example, let me see, we have really a lot. I will create dropshipping video ads for TikTok. I will create Shopify Facebook video ads. I will create dropshipping video ads and Facebook ads. This one can do really good. We'll create for your Amazon. Okay, I will make pro Shopify dropshipping Facebook ads in there. Oh, this one is looking really good. You guys can see this one. Okay, I will choose this one. This one is level 2 seller. He has over 1000 reviews. I will just click on his service like this, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. This seller has 2 orders in queue, over 1000 reviews. She's really good. So what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here, click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. As you can see, what you will do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. So let's go to YouTube. Before we go to YouTube, we'll go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, scroll down, click on his video. So this is really good. So what you will do next, you need to double click on the video and click on save video and save this video to your laptop. I will click on save. So I will use this video to promote my affiliate link on YouTube. So what you will do next, you will go back to Google and search for Canva. Okay, create an account on Canva. It's for free, it's easy to use. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click here on video, click on YouTube video, and you will be directly in this page. Click on upload, click on upload file, and upload this video that you download from Fiverr for dropshipping ads. Open, and here you go. Your video will be uploaded to Canva. Click on your video, and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, scroll down, click on set video as background, click here on text, click on text, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. I will use this one. Just click on the text style that you want to use, and I will decrease the font size of this text, and I will put this text here. Double click on this text and write this sentence: check link in my description. Okay, check link in my description like this. Click on elements and scroll down. So let me show you. Keep scrolling down, go over here to shapes and choose this one and put this shape behind your text like this, and here you go. Check link in my description. People who will watch this video on YouTube, they will see this check link in my description, and I will put my affiliate link in my YouTube description. Let me see. Okay, so it's good. I will click on share and click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go and open a YouTube channel. It's for free. It takes only your email address to sign up, and that's it. It's gonna take just 1 minute to finish your YouTube channel, to create a YouTube channel. It's super easy and simple. Okay, after you finish, upload this video to your YouTube channel and use this keyword, how to run ads. This one, okay, how to run ads for dropshipping. Okay, the same keyword, just copy and paste. Okay, after you upload this your video to your YouTube, you will put this title. You will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for people who are new to this business and they just created their Fiverr affiliate account, you guys will not see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account and I still have this option. But for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here, it's almost the same. Go back to YouTube, put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. Put in your YouTube description, if you are searching for how to run Facebook ads for dropshipping, check this link and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. Focus on YouTube. You can get so much traffic from YouTube, and don't focus on commissions. When you will start, don't focus on this. Okay, as a beginner, let me show you. You just started. Focus on this, focus on clicks, focus on traffic, focus on views. That's what you need to scale, and that's what you need to increase. If you focus on traffic and how you can scale your views and your traffic, you will start seeing a lot of commissions. It I can guarantee that to you. Okay, but the problem with you guys, when you started, you guys focus on commissions. You are getting just here few clicks. You are getting maybe 10 clicks, 20 clicks, 100 clicks. It's not enough yet, and you are focusing on this. You are seeing here zero commissions. And you keep thinking that it's not working, it's just saturated, and it's not. You are just need to focus on clicks. You need to focus on traffic. You need to grow your YouTube channel, grow your account, upload videos, upload 100 video, upload 200 videos, and go to your YouTube studio. Check which videos are getting a lot of views, which videos are getting clicks, which videos are getting likes, which videos are getting comments. Those videos, take those videos and improve those videos. Start promoting more videos like this. Okay, and focus on the videos that are getting good results. Okay, and automatically you will start seeing commissions. Okay, I can guarantee that to you. It takes time because we are using organic free traffic. We are not using ads, or we are not running ads for to get traffic. Because if you run ads, it will cost you a lot of money, and you will also get commissions, but you will not get a lot of profit. Okay, you will not get a lot of profit. If you want to get a good profit and big profit, make good commissions every single month, focus on organic traffic. It's for free. You just need to build good channels that are getting a lot of views per month, a lot of traffic, and that's it. You will start seeing a lot of commissions. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. For people who are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address and I will get back to you. I'm very happy to help you step by step to start this business. And make sure to know, you should know this, always all online businesses are working. Freelancing is working, YouTube automation is working, affiliate marketing is working. Businesses don't fail, people do. Okay, because people quit. That's the problem with a lot of people. They quit. They started the business, they stick in one business for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, they don't see any result, they quit. That's the problem. People who can make money and succeed in this business are people who will stay consistent, who will keep pushing, keep learning, keep making, keep improving. Those people can make so much money from this business. Thank you so much for watching. You guys, see you in my next videos.